Question 10.2. So, if the maximum capacity of the water trough is 160,000, what is the value of x? Well, this is a typical prism. A prism is a shape which has a constant cross-section. So if you cut through it, the end bit will be the same all the time. For example, like a Toblerone bar and so on. So how do you work out the volume of a prism? Well, step one is the area of the end bit, which we are told is 800. And then you multiply this by its depth to get the volume. So we know 800 times x is 160,000, so x is going to be 160,000 divided by 800, which I've done over here, 200. If one pig requires 5,000 of water per day, how many pigs is there sufficient water for? Well, we've got 160,000, 5,000 per pig, so we've got to do 160,000 divided by 5,000. Best just to set that up as a top-heavy fraction. Cancel the noughts, we're left with 160 over 5. Do that by bust-off method, we get 32, so 32 pigs. Now, a horse requires 40,000, trough 160,000, so how many, given this is per horse, we've got to do 160,000 divided by 40,000, cancels to 16 over 4, which is 4 horses. Now he's got 5 identical troughs, so how much money is that in total? Well, 160,000 per trough, 5 of them, so 160,000 times 5. I've just done 160 times 5, 800, and added the 1,000, 800,000. They cost this. What's the total cost? Well, this is the cost each. We've got 5 of them, so we've got to do 538.75 times 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 carry the 2, 7 5s are 35, plus the 2, 37, 7 carry the 3, pop the decimal in, 5 8s are 40, plus the 3, 43, 5 3s are 15, plus the 4, 19, 5 5s are 25, plus the 1, 26. So just make sure you can multiply, I think probably using this method rather than a grid method when you're only multiplying by a single digit. Other methods are fine. So answer 2693.75.